Hi guys, welcome back with me again and the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the default currency on the Google Sheets. So in here, as you guys can see on my Google Sheets, the current default currency is on dollars. Here you can see the currency, and if you want to change it, let's say to your own country currency, this is how you are going to do it. First, you can go to the File menu at the top and hit on Settings. And in here, under the General section, and you can see Local. You can change it to your own country. For example, here I'm going to change it into Indonesia. In here, and you can see that when you change it, this will affect formatting details such as function, dates, and also currency. So what you need to do is just click on Save and Reload. And after that, the currency, as you guys can see here, will be changed to the country that I selected. Now it will change into Indonesian rupiah. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.